Now this is a must-see. On day 5 of our tour, you'll get to experience one of the most iconic buildings in Northern Ireland. The Downhill House is an impressive 18th century mansion built by the eccentric Earl Bishop. They say that this mansion was built in excess. Its floor area made it one of the largest mansions in Ulster. It would have cost over 80,000 euros back then, which is a colossal figure for its time. And this is what the manor would look like in the 18th century. Now it's pretty eerie and dramatic as you walk through these ruins. They're perched on a 120-foot cliff top high above the Atlantic Ocean on the northwestern coast of Northern Ireland. You can still feel the tragic beauty in these ruins, and it's definitely lost none of its beauty over time. For those Game of Thrones fans out there, the Mussenden Temple in downtown Strand is also the home of the Dragonstone Temple, belonging to House Baratheon in Season 1. After a quick coffee and exploring the manor, we jump back on the bikes and head north to Belfast along the Causeway coast. Next up, Giant's Causeway.